Challenge problem 36. So the first thing I'm going to do is look to see if I can find one with a single variable. And I can find one right here. A milk jug times 9 times a milk jug equals 729. So m times 9 equals 729. So what I can do to figure out what the m's are is I can divide by 9 on this side to get rid of it and then divide by 9 here. This is not something that you will learn how to do in 5th grade. This is a 6th or 7th grade standard to know how to do that. What you could do is you could just figure out what number times itself twice times 9 would equal 729. For the purpose of this video and from them moving forward, I'm always going to show you what you're going to be doing in the future. So that way you can start to be exposed from it. So 729 divided by 9 is 81. So I now have 2 milk jugs left, and that they multiply to be 81. So what times what equals 81? Well, I know 9 times 9 equals 81. So my milk jugs all equal 9. So I'm going to change all of those to 9. So the next one that I'm going to work on is this one here. 9 times corn times 9 equals 162. So I'm going to do 9 times 9 first. So 9 times 9 times corn. 9 times 9 is 81 times corn equals 162. So what could I put where that C is to get 162? Well, I know 81 times 2 equals 162. I'm just going to show you that real quick. So 81 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 162. So I'm going to change all of my corns to 2. Then that allows me to go up and solve that first problem. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So the barns are all 8. Then you'll notice I have 3 different question marks on this one. So I'm going to solve just them in order since we know all of our variables. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 times 9. 16 times 9. Well, I know 9 times 6 is 54. Put my 4, carry my 5. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. So this one equals 144. 8 times 2 is 16 times 9. You'll notice that is exactly what we solved here. So I know my answer is 144. They have just changed the answers around. Then I have 9 times 8, which is 72 times 2. 72 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. 144. You will notice they used the same variables in all 3 of these problems. Each problem also used the multiplication. So since we were multiplying the same numbers over and over, just in a different order, we will always get the same answer.